So a couple of people have asked how I installed my fans. I'm not going to go into too much detail today as into why I've done it or some of the other modifications I've done to help keep this machine cool. This is just simply how I've installed the fans. So the fan was originally mounted on this side here. You can see it was mounted here on these two plates. You can just swap this whole radiator over 180 degrees, but I didn't want to make a mess by removing the lines, so I've just swapped the fan. And I do have a bit of a design in my mind to utilize this bracket later on anyway. So what I've done is, you can see here, I've just cut some spaces, the thickness of the radiator, maybe a couple of mil more, and I've unbolted the shroud and I've just brought it straight over the front using these spaces and some longer bolts, and then I've mounted the fan straight to it. As far as the wiring harness goes, I just patched into the back here for the second fan. There, just pulled these clips out, replaced them and soldered straight into them, and run the wire back through to the back fan. This fan, I just cut a circle in here and I mounted the original factory fan in here. The front fan is a high flow fan. And then this should just come off like so when you need it to. And I just installed a clip there for servicing. It's really just as simple as that. And this is a great push-pull system. This fan pulls air through at a lower speed, and this is a high capacity fan pulling air out. It's that simple. I'm going to do another video in a few days explaining why you need to extract the air and what else I've done. As far as the heat shield goes, I've got my exhaust jacket there, the blanket made by Jake Nicholson. Then I've just put a 10mm spacer around the outside of that using some insulation and an aluminium heat guard. And that's basically it. This thing runs at about 50 degrees all day. Hope this helps.